Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to show you guys my little setup of what I use and how I set up everything just to practice on. So I have my little machine, tattoo machine here. It is charging. Since my little wireless battery, I feel like it wasn't as strong, so I just decided to just have it corded. This is the machine without the needle. I have my little burpee here, a dental bib, and we are using just my permanent makeup bed. I do have a notebook on the bottom of this just for support, and we will be practicing on the fake skin that I have here. So I do have this other one just to show you guys, but after using it and just getting ink on and pigment on it, it starts to like smear and the color looks a little off now. So that's just for the side. I have this other one that I've only done one on, so we'll just use that for today. And since I'm only practicing, I'm not actually performing the procedure on a client, I'm not going to wrap my tattoo pen, but that is what you would want to do before any procedure. But since we're just practicing, this is fake skin, we're just going to just leave it as is. And then I did receive my practice needles from Amazon yesterday. I was running out, so I ordered these new ones from Mast. These are the Mast Pro Tattoo Cartridge Round Liner, so the 1RL. This is what they look like. It is a 20-piece set. It was $15 from Amazon, 15, 16, something like that. So I got some cheaper ones just to practice on since I was running out, and they came in yesterday, so let's go ahead and just open them up and see what's in the box. Okay, took the plastic off. Ooh. Very cute. Okay, so we'll use one for today, see how they work compared to my other ones. Okay, guys, so technical difficulties. I couldn't get the other one to fit, so we are not going to practice on that one, but it's okay. We'll keep it because they are compatible for a new machine that I do want to purchase. So for now, we'll just go back to these ones. So thankfully, I still have some. So just go ahead and pop it open. Oh, I'm so sad. I wanted to try them out. Okay. Get that on there. 2. And then we have our self-adhesive or self-cohesive tape. And this just allows you better grip on your machine. Just wrap. So here's my pen. I'll wrap half of the cartridge there. Just wrap around, making sure I don't move my depth of my tattoo gun, and I'll just wrap right over it just to make sure I can see where it aligns, the 2 and the needle, so, or the 2 and the arrow, so that way in case it does move, I can just readjust it a tad. So just lift it, boom. Okay, so that's it, just a little bit. Again, if we were working on an actual client, my tattoo gun would be covered in barrier film, and then we'll go ahead and wrap it. But since not, we're just not using a sterile situation right now. So I did cut up some baby wipes to wipe off the pigment. I do have in this cup some Vaseline to wipe off as well. And I've just been using this same Perma Blend pigment. And then just 5 drops. Okay, and I found like that's been enough for me to just practice on for about an hour or so, or get through a set of eyebrows. This is fake skin, so this is what tattoo artists use, makeup artists, or permanent makeup artists use to practice on. It does have these other sides where I've just been practicing my swings. This one I've been actually practicing the shape of the brow, so I have a few different ones. And I didn't finish, but I don't want to use this for today's video. We're starting off with the cleaner one today just to see. And I did try on skin, and it feels completely different. And I get that this is just practice skin, but I felt more comfortable doing it on actual skin versus like the fake skin. So I don't know if you guys are dealing with that and you're not so sure of how to feel on this, but it does feel different once you guys practice like on a real person. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm all hooked up here, ready to go. And turn on our machine. Needle pops out once it's on. And just adjust our speed here. So I just do 5 seconds in the pigment cup. My dominant hand is my right hand, so I use the right hand. Pinky out in between your fingers, and let's go. Okay, and we did our 3 passes on the tail of the brow. So let me just grab some Vaseline, wipe off the pigment, and we'll see what we have. And I only have my glove on my right hand since that is the hand I'm using to practice with. And since you can see, I'm using it to clean off too. It's probably too bright, but that little tail here is 3 little passes. And I'll go ahead and finish the brow, show you guys what it looks like after. But basically this is what you need simple to just practice with. Some self-adhesive or cohesive tape, bandage tape, your fake skin, a pigment cup with pigment, Vaseline baby wipes, your tattoo gun, and your needle, and you guys will be good to go. I do have 2 ring lights in my house. I have this bigger one here and I have a smaller one here. I did put my table right under our ceiling light, so I have extra light. So I'm all set with the lighting here. But basically it's a pretty easy setup to just practice with. So here we are. Let me go ahead and finish this up and I will show you guys the final product once I'm done. Okay, you guys, I am done with my 3rd pass. Here we go. It's this one here. You guys can see I have a few harsh lines, but that's just me. I need to practice my swinging, and this is why we do practice to get it, just to get better. So from where I've started to now, I've done pretty well, and I'm very happy with my progress. So I don't know if you guys can see from the camera, but you see all these ink stains. So you need to have a little burpee or some sort of cover. You don't want to get your table or workstation all, you know, covered in paint, or just, you know, mess up whatever you're working on. Like I wouldn't want to get my bed all messed up from this. Anyway, again, what I used was just a pigment cup with my pigment. I have a little cup with Vaseline so I can wipe off my practice skin. We have our tattoo pen with our self-cohesive tape, our needle, and cut up some baby wipes to kind of wipe off. Make sure you guys are in good lighting to get, you know, accurate representation of what you guys are doing, because or else you're not gonna know what the heck's going on. So you guys, this is it. I've got most of my stuff besides what came in my kit when I first started my course. Everything's been Amazon, and my next video, I'm going to just go through everything I've purchased from Amazon because it's been a lot. My boyfriend was like, how much do you think you spent on Amazon in the last couple months? And I was like, we're not going to talk about that. But we will. We will talk about it in the next video. So I'll show you guys everything I've had so far to get started with my new permanent makeup business. Right now, this was just a little setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will be leaving my new permanent makeup TikTok in the description below, because I'm trying to, you know, have my own personal plus my, you know, just for this stuff. So I'll keep that separate and I'll link it down below so you guys can go follow me and just see my journey from beginner and how we grow this business. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.